Alright, and here we go.
Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Morganton, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Morganton, Drexel, Glen Alpine, South Mountain State Park, Pleasant Grove, Valdez, Oak Hill, and Lake Rodas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Burke, North Carolina.
It was just by the moment that I said, alright, and here we go. It was by the moment I said that SPR went through. Oh, and also said a second time to which E254's missile order monitor also went off. Just the magic words.